Hi, I'm Andy, maintenance man here in Meribel. Yes, this is my first season. Always wanted to do one. I'm not getting any younger, so I thought it needs to be done before I get too old. Had a great time so far, looking after the two hotels in Meribel and some staff accommodation, general stuff, general maintenance, bits of painting, bits of tidying up, changing light bulbs, all that type of general sort of basic maintenance really. I've been skiing all my life, and I thought working a season would be an ideal way to improve my skiing and enjoy the mountains. The favourite part of my job is the drive to work through the mountains. I have to go over to Val Thorens once a week. It takes me an hour to drive over there. Some of the views are absolutely amazing. That's probably one of the best parts of my job. Or either the walk to work, walking through the mountains, through the snow. Time off, get quite a bit of it, which is good. Tend to go skiing. Been skiing pretty much for 70 days this season. Main reason I'm here. If I'm not skiing, relaxing, just taking some time out with myself, thinking about life, thinking about what I'm going to do in the future. If I was trying to promote this job or a season air to friends and family, I would recommend it. It's a great lifestyle. You meet some great people, you make some great friendships. You have a great time, and yeah, the mountains are amazing.